Hey everyone, welcome to another Kids Science Experiments video. Have you ever added honey to a drink and noticed that it stinks to the bottom? Did you ever wonder why? Today we will show you as we talk about the properties of density.
We will be doing an experiment, which is a density tower. The density tower will consist of 5 different substances, which are water, honey, alcohol, oil, and dish soap. You can easily do this at home with us. You will need honey, water, rubbing alcohol, cooking oil, dish soap, blue food coloring, red food coloring, a container like an empty water bottle or large cup, 1/3 measuring cup, a popsicle stick or straw, something to stir with like a spoon or chopstick. You can do this experiment at home. Remember always to be safe. You may need a parent to help you. We always recommend wearing something to protect your eyes. You may want to wear old clothes so you don't stain your nice ones.
Okay, let's start the experiment. First, let's make our water blue and our alcohol red. Measure your water and put it in a cup. Do the same with the rubbing alcohol. Add 2 to 3 drops of blue food coloring to the water and 2 to 3 drops into the alcohol.
Now we can start our tower. First, take your honey and put it in the container. Next, measure your dish soap and pour it slowly into the container. Try to pour it against the side of the container.
The next step is important because otherwise, sometimes the liquids will mix up too much. Take the popsicle stick or straw and put it against in the container against the side. Take the blue water and pour it carefully onto the stick or straw. Next, take the oil and measure it and carefully pour it onto the stick as well. Last, take the red alcohol and do the same thing.
You should have a nice, colorful density tower with each liquid floating on top of each other. If your tower failed, don't worry. Sometimes sometimes you have to try it a few times, so try again. An important part is to pour the liquid slowly, and using the straw or stick usually helps. Now, let's talk about the science behind this experiment.
The liquids all have different densities. That is why we poured them in a certain order. We started with the most dense and poured to the least dense. But what is density exactly?
Scientists define density as mass divided by volume. For example, one plastic spoon and one metal spoon. If you were to measure the mass and volume, you could calculate the density. Which of these two spoons do you think is denser? The metal one, because it has more mass packed into the same volume.
But what does that mean in everyday language? Well, not technically the same. Density is kind of like weight. Everything like solids, liquids, and gases have density. The difference is how much weight is in a certain shape. Like our spoons. The metal spoon is heavier than the plastic spoon, but they are the same size, so the metal is denser.
In case you were curious, here are the densities of liquids we used in today's experiments. Honey, around 1,400 kilograms per cubic meter. Dish soap, around 1,050 kilograms per cubic meter. Water, 1,000 kilograms per cubic meter. Oil, around 900 kilograms per cubic meter. And alcohol, 800 kilograms per cubic meter.
If you liked the video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Turn on the notifications if you want to know when we make another video for you. Check back for more videos, and thanks for watching. Stay curious. Until next time.